Okay guys, really quick here, I'm trying to make a little banner and hopefully it goes well. And I have this tool up the pom-poms from the Target dollar spot, so I'm using those and I'm using the tags, and that's my happy Halloween banner. I got that one at Target 2 years ago. And then so what I'm doing, I'm just grabbing the twine, putting the tag, and attaching the pom-pom. So that's cute, but make sure that if you're using these, make sure that you fluff them up, because if not, they're gonna end up looking like this instead of like, you know, a little tiny ball. So cute. And I'm gonna hang that up there in the on the top of my TV. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys really quick. Okay, so now I'm trying to make another banner with this trick or treat. And this one, I got it last year at Target. So cute. This just says trick or treat. But I want to put this one. But I'm not exactly sure if I put this ribbon or this ribbon. So I just don't know what to do. So yeah, that's my dilemma now. My ribbons, I don't know. I mean, my twine, I don't know what to put. Okay, keep thinking. So many choices. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm getting these candle holders and putting these on top like that with my hot glue. Okay, I'll stay. Just putting it like that, and maybe this big one too, putting on this other big one right here like that. I have my hot glue ready, so I think I'm gonna do it, see how it comes out. I was thinking of putting these like that because I wanted to put like my stickers and my ribbons and stuff, so why not make it look pretty, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do that and I'll show you guys. So right now I'm trying to fix this little thing that I made last year for Halloween because the thing fell off. Okay, let me show you. Oh, let me put this way because this thing's bugging me. Okay, hopefully it stays. Hopefully it does, because it fell off. Sorry. Okay. Let me show you. I made this last year. Okay. Wait, let me do this really quick. I'm gonna show you. I made this little thing. It has all the stuff right there. So cute. So adorable. I made a little tiny DIY last year. Okay, so I made these. I did them last night. So I'm gonna put them, and then I'm gonna put all my stuff in here, like my stickers and, you know, all my ribbons and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put those. I'll show you because I'm trying to set up here, trying to put lights, make it look cute, so I can set up all my stuff and like that. I can see my crafts and see what I need, see what I'm using. You can see I have all my stuff out right now. So yeah. You know, good morning, Papa.
Hey, the ladybug.
I know there's a ladybug in our window. I just finished doing my little DIY, little tiny boxes. If you guys want to see them, they're probably going to be up by the time this video goes up. And I was just working on that this morning, and I have my craft area almost finished. Just wanted to show you a little bit. So yeah, so cute. And yeah, that's what we have going on today. Let me see your costume. Who are you, Pa?
Jake.
Jake in the Neverland Pirate?
Yeah.
So we're getting ready. Go finish your card, Papa. We're getting ready. I'm just wearing a pumpkin. Oh, I just got this pumpkin shirt at Target. I think I just got it. Yeah, I just got this one. I got the one that said please with something. I can't remember what it says. And then I got this pumpkin one, so I'm just wearing that. We're getting ready to go. I'm just trying to do something with my hair, but nothing is coming out right. I look too dark here. So yeah, look at my 31st. So cute. I put that my DIYs. I did the E and then I did the K. And then oh, my hocus pocus. So cute. And I finished with my banners because I didn't know what to put. I mean, what to do. I did that one. And then I did this one. Oh my gosh, the sun is bright. And I did that one right there. Something cute, something festive. There's my corner that I'm trying to organize. All my goodies, my Halloween. So yeah, I'm gonna record a little bit when I get over there. Oh, wait. Yeah. Looking for my keys. Okay. So I'll record when I get over there. It looks so dark. So I can record the kids on their costumes and all that cute stuff because it's a costume party. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? And I want to show you too. I did my nails. I got this little mini kit at Walmart. I think it was like six bucks. So it's pretty cute. Oops. I put them on already. So cute. So yeah, now I'm in this trend of putting the fake nails but the press-on nails. So I think they look really cute. So I'm just gonna keep going because my nails are so thin. So I'm just gonna let them rest for now and start putting these little fake nails on. So cute.
No, there's no servings.
Yeah, they're right here.
So
That rose looks like a Titanic.
Look Titanic.
Look at me knowing the name.
Hi, Papa.
Who wants sopita?
I do.
I don't.
The pasta. Okay. Which it is though?
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. What are you gonna eat, Pa? You gonna eat some more chicken? Yeah.
Big lazy soup. So good.
What?
Big lazy soup.
Good morning. It is Sunday today and I'm gonna walk around where I live. I'm actually gonna go to the beach right now. So I have my morning coffee and let's go.
I get a bunch of new Stan Getz albums.
I just love the beach. This is everything. I love it. I love just listening to the waves. It's so calm, relaxed. Oh, I love it. So pretty today. The best Sunday off ever. So pretty. I love it. I hope you guys like it and enjoy the little view that I have going on right now. This is just perfect. I just like coming here and talking to myself and clearing my mind and just think better. I love it. Oh, it's freezing though. That's the thing with the ocean in California. It's frozen. It's literally frozen water coming in. But it just feels so good in your feet. Oh. So nice walking. So cool. I can't see. Oh, I see the surfer guys, but not the dolphins. Are they coming out? I don't know. I see that guy looking. No, I don't see it. Oh, there it went. I don't know if I... Oh, there it is. So cute. Little birds. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end my little vlog here because it's just so pretty. Thank you for watching guys. Love you. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful Sunday or week whenever you watch this video. I'm just sending you guys good vibes, love and energy. Okay guys, bye.